But let's say you want to change the shape of the frame. You don't want a circle. You also want to... Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More. And in this video, I'll be showing you a simple tutorial on how you can add a photo for your resume. Let's just head over to the Canva website, to the homepage, and let's type in resume, because that's what we're trying to do today. Now let's wait for the results to pop up. If we enter, we are gonna be given some designs or templates. I'm heading over to templates so that we're given some of the designs that we can use. So to make sure that we are not gonna be wasting our time accidentally choosing something that is actually paid or pro only, you head over here to all filters, scroll down until we find free, click on that, click apply. Let's use this one, the blue professional modern CV resume. Let's just click on customize this template and we should be here. Let's change this into my name, even though it's not part of the tutorial. I'm now Kim Daniel Sanchez. Let's say that is my name. So we have to replace this picture, right? Just drag it there, and as you can see, it will replace the photo in the frame. But let's say you want to change the shape of the frame. You don't want a circle. You also want to remove this. You can just delete again. Let's go to elements and type in frame, or just this one, the suggestion. Click that frame, and let's say you want to add a square this time. So you just drag it there, resize it, and to match the aesthetic of the entire or the overall design of the resume, you just click on the border style here so it still looks similar to what it was earlier. Once again, you just have to drag the photo into it, and as you can see, you have added a photo into your resume. So it's that simple. I hope this video helped you, and I hope you can find a job soon. Best wishes and good luck. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.